How to add music or audio tracks to videos in Veed. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button and select New Project from the drop-down. Upload your video by clicking Upload File or dragging and dropping it into the editor. Once your video appears on the timeline, you are ready to add music or audio. To add an audio track, click on the audio option in the left-hand menu. You can either upload your own audio file from your computer or choose from Veed's royalty-free music library. Simply select the audio track and it will be added to your timeline. Once added, you can trim the audio, adjust the volume, fade in or fade out, and synchronize it perfectly with your video. Veed also allows you to add multiple audio tracks, so you can combine music, voiceovers, and sound effects for a rich audio experience. After finalizing your audio, continue enhancing your video with text, subtitles, titles, or transitions. Then export your video with music embedded, ready to share on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any platform. Now you know how to add music or audio tracks to videos in Veed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.